On the steep slopes of Mazama, Washington, sits a tiny cabin that offers a unique experience for nature lovers. The cabin, called Tinyleaf, is nestled in the heart of the Methow Valley, a destination known for its dramatic scenery and year-round recreational opportunities, from mountain biking to cross-country skiing. Designed by GOC, Tinyleaf is a smart solution to meet the needs of a client who wanted to establish an early connection to the location while creating a guest studio for the future. The cabin sits on a small footprint of 15 feet by 22 feet, yet utilizes innovative design to maximize the outdoor living experience. The southern facade features large glass sliding doors, creating a strong connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The flat roof not only provides the added bonus of a rooftop deck, but is also designed to retain snow during the winter, adding to the cabin's thermal mass. With cast-in-place concrete walls, the Tinyleaf blends seamlessly into the natural topography of the hillside, giving the impression that the cabin has always been a part of the landscape. The cabin's exterior is designed to blend into the landscape over time. Steel siding and awning panels will age gracefully, blending with the earthy tones. Meanwhile, the concrete walls reflect the color of the local rocks, making the Tinyleaf feel like a natural part of the hillside. Inside, the interior design is like a ship's closet, small but highly functional. Concrete and wood materials create a warm yet modern feel, unifying the limited space. Every corner is designed with maximum efficiency in mind. For example, the bed is raised to hide a large storage drawer, and hidden pull-out panels in the wall are used for a pantry and other storage. Tinyleaf teaches us that size isn't everything. With smart design, attention to detail, and respect for the environment, this tiny cabin is a living experience that's unforgettable. Whether on a sunny summer day or a snowy winter day, Tinyleaf blends seamlessly with its surroundings, bringing modern comfort amidst the beauty of the wilderness.